Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy Jay back at it again with the Crimson Camry. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install these little triangle pieces that come from Carbon Fiber. So what we have here, we have a honeycomb style one and we have a forge. I have my friend Shadow XSC over there prepping his car, getting ready for the install. And as for me, I'm getting ready to do mine. I already did one of them, so this is what it's going to look like right here when it's on your car. Okay, don't mind that. I'm in the process of doing my chrome delete again. But yeah, that's what's gonna look like. Quick install process, guys. You know, with the SC one, it comes in matte black, and then if you have an XSC, it comes in gloss black. So pretty much, the XSC one, I feel like this mod is more meaningful for the SC owners because it's matte black. We want to get rid of the matte black, you know what I'm saying? They're kind of pricey, not really. I mean, you gotta realize you're paying for real carbon fiber and their OEM replacement, so you gotta put that into consideration too. The first thing you want to do is, I guess you can roll down your window, it doesn't really matter. But you want to get into this groove right here and take off the interior triangle piece. There we go. All right, next part is as simple as getting the plastic trim tool. This is not plastic, let me get something else. So you're gonna get some among these lines, plastic trim tool. You wanna stick into the groove right here, and you're just gonna push out, okay? It's better to push down from the bottom than up top because of that lip. If you see the replacement has this lip right here and you do not want to break that. All right, so if you're having a hard time pulling it out, if you go on the inside, use a pair of pliers and squeeze these little I don't even want to call them push-ins, but push-outs. As you see, I squeeze it and push it out. Now this one is relatively easy to get to, but the one down there is much harder to get to. So you got two options. You could take off this whole entire door panel, which I don't think you need to do. I'm kind of squeezing that over there. The other one wasn't as hard to get out. Alright, for the other side we got forge. As you see, for Shadow, he got the forged pillars over here to match it. And you got forged. What are those American Pro? What's that called? I don't remember.
No, I don't even remember.
I thought it was M horn, but I thought mine was M horn. I don't know, but just show them real quick. You can get these products at KOCF.com. I'll put the link inside the description as always. Alright. So, same process. This time we're on the passenger side. Go ahead and take this part off. You never take this off before in your life. I can tell that joint had a hard time.
Nah, that's the first time.
This one right here. And push it out. It's usually not that one that has the issues, the one down there. Get into that groove right there. Alright. And then you want to bring, with your hand, bring the triangle piece down. That way this lip that's inside here could come out. All right, so when you're putting it back on, you want to make sure that this lip goes in first. Shit, I gotta put the lip in first. All right. huh?
Mm-hmm.
I took the chrome trim off of right here to get in here because honestly, it was easier if I did it that way because right here, you don't want to crack at the same time you don't want to scratch your chrome because if you see the other side, you want to make sure that that rubber gasket or rubber trim or whatever is covering over your triangle piece.
My left side went easier. Your left side was difficult. Your right side was easy. My right side was difficult.
Some shit. I like it. Nice little touch. Like I was saying before, you know, the XSC one, I mean, if I had the gloss black ones, I probably wouldn't have to worry about it, but I had the SC ones on mine, and it was matte, so I kind of wanted to get rid of it. And I remember at one point I was thinking about wrapping it, but I seen this, and this looks pretty cool. It's the detail that matters. So,